how to add product variation in Shopee. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add product variation in Shopee. First, you need to select variations. Then choose options like colors and sizes. You can select white, black, or both. You can add sizes like small, medium, and large. If you want to add more colors, you can tap on Add to include more colors for your product variations. Now, enter the option name. You can add more variations that you want to include. So that is exactly how you can add product variations on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.